Hey guys, all right, this is Wayne again. I have a video for you about finding out the year of your vacuum, your Kirby, your Bissell. It can work on certain other units, possibly older, some Oryx, and also even the, if I'm not mistaken, the Hoover. So I'm going to see if the same tactic works. Which is going to be is you're going to find it on that information tag on the back of the regular vacuums, but on the Kirby, it's on the side of the machine. So let me see if I can get a Kirby up here, and I'll show you that. That's the first one I'm going to show you, okay? And let me put this Kirby here real quick. All right. So for a Kirby, right in front of the bag, well, not in front of the bag, but on the side right here, is going to have a serial number etched in, okay? And the first, not the, well, the don't worry about that first number, okay? It's the second, it starts from the second number. So like for this one, it says 14, well, it starts with an 8, but it's 1405, right? That's how the number starts, and it continues to 5 more numbers. That means it was made in 14th. It was made in 2014, and 05 is the 5th month. And then, if I'm not mistaken, the 15 that comes after that is the 15th of that month. It was fully manufactured when they etched in the serial number. So let me try a different one. And if I'm right, the older Kirby should have a different number for the for that, okay? So this one starts with an 8 also, but this is a diamond Kirby. And if you know what year, about roughly the years the diamonds came out, they were about, if I'm not mistaken, around 2004, 2005, 2006, like that. The ultimate, which before this diamond was around 2002 and 3 and things like that. And then before that was the G6, which came out, I think it came out in 99, but you'll see a lot of G6s with 2000 on it and 2001, okay? But they don't put those numbers on there anymore. So this one is 805 and 11, which is November of 2005. So that's how we figure out how, the year of your Kirby, okay? So you can experiment with Kirby's. Hey, I got one in the shop, and if any one of you are interested in this one, you can let me know, because it still runs like a charm. Watch this. Okay, this one, I was holding on to it, like, I don't know for what reason, but I kept it as long as I could. See this one here? This is a Cinetronic, right? And it still runs. It's from, I believe this one is from let's verify. I'm thinking it's from 65. Let me verify. This number is onto here. Okay. No. Actually, no. I don't think they did it on these. This one says 244. And no, that means that would have been 44. No. I don't think they worked on these. Okay. But it has a new brush and a new mini emitter bottom plate here for sale. Okay, all right. Now for Oryx, some of these Oryx will have the date on it. Let me see, how close can I get to this camera here? Some of them would just literally say date, and it'll tell you that this is June 2nd, 2014, when this one was made. But there are others that is hard, because I'm going in and out of camera here. There are others that is hard because the serial number don't really give that kind of a plain, and that's the one I'm a little bit off on, because when it comes to these Oryx, with this long number, there's no date on this one, and I hadn't figured out the pattern yet for the serial numbers. But if I was going to use a date, see, let No, I'm just guessing. I don't want to do that. Okay, because I see 05, 31, 74. I can't say for sure this is a 2005 Auric. I'll be guessing. Okay, so I don't want to do that. All right. But when it comes to Bissell, Bissell is very nice and simple, very basic. Bissell is the first two numbers of that serial number is the year it was made. So this one is from 2019. So, and that's how we get to figure out if it's still under warranty or not. So Bissell's is straight to the point. Okay, same thing with Kirby, straight to the point. With Kirby, it's the second set of numbers after that first number. I think that first number is the warehouse it was manufactured. That 8, like that. And then after that is the year, the month, the date. Okay, and with this one, Bissell, I pretty much just look at the first two numbers. 19 means it was made in 2019. Okay, let's check out another Bissell. Let's see if this number gives us an idea of the date. Okay, this one was made in 20. Okay, in 2020. Okay, this is a 2020 machine. All right. Okay, now Hoover, I gotta double check with the reps that I talked to, but I'm not sure if the serial number will do that for you. Like this 16, maybe a 2016 machine. But I do know the manufacturer code is what we need for warranty, more so than anything else. So you may be able to do the same thing with the Hoover. I'm sorry if I'm not very specific on that one, because I normally would use the model number and the manufacturer's code to figure out the warranty. So the serial number, I never really paid much attention to that serial number for the year it was made. Okay. All right. This is 17. So this is possibly like the manufacturer's code on this one starts with a K and then a 17. So I'm assuming this was made in 2017. But as for the serial number, not sure if that serial number is the one that was that. So that's that for that, guys. You can try it out with your different brands. What I recommend is that you give it a shot. Look at your information tag, see if you can kind of figure out that date, and then just call them. Just call up, guys. Hey guys, listen, I have a machine here. This is the model number. This is the serial number. Can you tell me what date? If this is still under warranty? You may not be looking for that information, but they'll work with you. And then say, let me ask you, what year was this made? What does the serial number tell you? And then they may just, they may be able to tell you what year it was made. Okay, so that's probably the route you would take on that one. All right. So I hope this was able to help anybody who's trying to figure out how old their machine is. I just found out that they didn't use that method on these. Okay, so this wasn't I don't rehearse these videos. Okay, we don't do take twos. So I didn't look this one up for that old Senatronic Kirby. Okay, but hey, before you go, let me prove to you what I'm talking about. This thing is from, I believe it's 1965. I had one from 56, and I think this is the 65 model. I'll double check. Oh, look at that! Look at that bad boy. Still runs. And the sound's good too. Look at that. Yes. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Alrighty.